Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trishana, and for this video I'll be showing you how you can hide or conceal any bangs that you may have on your wigs that you may have cut and you're no longer liking the style. Now, if you find this video to be helpful or you enjoy watching this type of content, ensure that you subscribe and also hit the post notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post more of these types of videos. Now I'm going to start off by redefining the part of this wig and also placing the hairs in the direction that I would want them to lay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add some styling mousse. The mousse that I usually use is the ORS Olive Oil Mousse, but you can use any mousse of your choice. Next, I'm going to be using a hot comb to kind of comb the bangs that I had cut into the longer strands of hair. I then went ahead with my Borui Beeswax, about a dime size amount, and rubbed it together in my hands, and I just rubbed it onto the hair, and this is to help the hairs better lay in the positions that I would want them to lay, and also help any flyaways that may be present to better lay down. Then for the last time, I went in again with my hot comb and I did the same thing that I did before. Now this step is optional. I went ahead and I sprayed some of the Loreal Sleek It spray. It really helps with the overall appearance of the hair, as in how sleek it looks in the end, and I actually like how it smells, so I decided to use some of it. Now, after I was finished using the hot comb, I went ahead and I sprayed some of the Got to Be Glued freeze spray to help the style, or to help everything stay in place. Then I proceeded to flat iron the ends of the hair. And this is basically how you can hide or conceal any bangs which you may have on any of your wigs. As you can see, there is no line of demarcation or any sign that there were bangs on this wig before. If you have made it this far in this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the like button as well if you found this video helpful, and hit the post notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a new video.